All right, I'm going to show you how to use this depilling Evercare. So first of all, the batteries go back here, and to get to the batteries, you got to squeeze this. It pops them out. I'll just show you where they go. They show you here negative, positive. So I'm thinking you put this one in negative with the positive end this way, and then this one in with the positive end down and negative. So I'm hoping that's the way it goes, positive, negative. So that's positive, that's negative. Then what we got to do is smush this back on there. And I do believe it goes like, you got to make sure you get it on right. Oh, there we go. All right, so that's on. All right, once you got the batteries in, turn it on, you hit this. And there it goes. And then you can do your job, which we're going to show you. We're going to do a hat. Okay, so we want to depill this hat a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and turn her on. And then just you're going to go over it. Just like that. I'm going to go put my hand in here so I can basically how you do it. And so it's being pulled in here and cut. I'm not going to spend a lot of time doing this. I'm just going to show you how it works. Now we can see if we got anything. Let's see if there's anything in there. Oh, there's a little bit, not much. But, you know, this, you want to make sure you clean this out. But there's not really, there's just a little bit in there. Let me see if I can get it out. See, that's what came out of there. So it's not that much. But anyway, that's how it works. And this will, you know, really take an old hat and make it into a new one. At least you make you look halfway decent, right? And then once it's done, you squeeze this right here, and all the junk will go inside there. It falls out of here. It's going to fall out of here into there. Now when you put this back on, you're going to notice that this has this little squeezies here. So this has to be facing this way. You see the Everclear? Goes like that, and then you just snap it on it. Then these catch right here. They're just like little catches. Just little catches, right? And then this, you rub it over the surface of where you're trying to depill. And so you just get on there like that, and you're done. That's how you do it. Bam, done. All right. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.